Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Buffer for consistent LinkedIn posting schedule, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Buffer for a consistent LinkedIn posting schedule, start by logging into your Buffer account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by providing your email and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Connect Your Social Accounts option. From the list of social platforms, locate and select LinkedIn. You'll be prompted to authorize Buffer to access your LinkedIn account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. After connecting LinkedIn, return to the Buffer dashboard. Now, click on the Content tab at the top of the page. Here, you can begin to create your posts for LinkedIn. Click on the Add a Post button. Type or paste your content into the designated field. You can also add images or links using the options provided within the post editor. Once your post is ready, you can choose to either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. To schedule, select the Schedule option. Choose the date and time you want your post to go live. To create a consistent posting schedule, use the Post Frequency section. Decide how many times a week you want to post to LinkedIn. You can customize specific times for each post by selecting Customize Posting Times. Once you have set your preferences, save your changes. Repeat the process to create additional posts as needed. After scheduling, go back to the dashboard to review your posting queue. You can easily edit or reschedule posts from this view if necessary. Finally, monitor the performance of your posts using the Analytics feature. This will help you refine your strategy over time for better engagement. Now you're all set to maintain a consistent LinkedIn posting schedule with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.